Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Charleys Grill and Bar Restaurant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Charleys is a restaurant app designed to make ordering from Charleys Grill and Bar faster and more convenient. The app allows users to browse the full menu, customize their meals, and place pickup or delivery orders depending on availability in their area. It also includes a built-in rewards program where customers can earn points for every purchase and redeem them for discounts or free items. The app is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main features include easy mobile ordering, quick meal customization, location-based restaurant search, and access to exclusive deals. Users can save their favorite orders, track their rewards, and enjoy faster checkout for repeat visits. The app is designed to streamline the dining experience whether you're ordering ahead or looking for nearby Charleys locations. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the simple interface, fast ordering process, and valuable rewards program. The ability to customize meals and save frequent orders makes the experience smoother for regular customers. Delivery partners and in-app updates help users track their orders conveniently. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's delivery coverage varies by region, which may limit availability for some users. Others report occasional glitches such as missing order updates, login issues, or problems when applying rewards. Additionally, accuracy of restaurant location data can sometimes be inconsistent. In summary, the Charleys app may be worth using if you frequently visit Charleys Grill and Bar, want quick ordering, enjoy earning rewards, and prefer accessing deals directly from the app. However, if delivery isn't supported in your area or you prefer ordering in person, it might not add much value for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.